Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I have a very quick Rae Dunn haul. I went to Marshall's the other day and there was a lot of stuff, and I think that there was a lot of stuff because everyone wants the holiday stuff, so everything else kind of gets pushed to the back. But it's a great time to stock up for gifts if you know other Rae Dunn collectors, or if you just like Rae Dunn. For example, me, I'm not a collector, I just like it. So it's a perfect time for me to stock up so that I can find maybe just things that I like because there's more variety. So I did buy some gifts, and I got all of these things at Marshall's. So let's just jump right into it. Sorry, before we jump into it, I do want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I do a lot of DIYs, home decor, so make sure that you are subscribed. And I'm sorry that the lighting is starting to dim, but sun is starting to leave us at this time, but I want to make sure that I get this video recorded as soon as possible and upload it as well, because I already told my Instagram followers that I would do it today, so I want to get this done as soon as possible. Also, I want to wrap up all of these items because they are for gifts. So let's get right into it. The first Rae Dunn item is for myself, and it was $5.99. I got it at Marshall's, and I got a wifey mug, and this is a Christmas gift for myself, and I'm really glad I found this one because I had been looking for this one. Now I need to find the one that says hubby. The next mug I found is for my sister. It is for her birthday, so she's not allowed to watch this video until after. And I got her this I woke up like this mug. I know she's gonna love it. She's beautiful, so I know that this is gonna be perfect for her. And then I got this mug for my dad. It is also his birthday in December, so this is part of his birthday gift. It just says Papa. I don't think this is the Spanish one because it would have the acento. I think this is like the Papa version, but who cares? This is for my dad's birthday. Oh, and I'm sorry, all of the mugs are $5.99, and then I'll give you the prices on the other items. Okay, so this is another gift set, but it is a set of two. This one was $9.99, and it's Meow and Purr. And this one is going to be broken up, so two different mugs for two different people. I'm still deciding on the second one if it's gonna be part of a gift or if I may just keep it myself again. But for $9.99 for two cups, that is saving you $2. So I love getting these two sets and just breaking them apart. They also had a lot of bride and groom ones, and I regret so much not buying a set because those make great gifts. I should have bought at least one, but if you see them, buy them, because again, they make great gifts to give later on if you don't have anyone. Perfect last minute wedding gift, and anyone will appreciate a Rae Dunn mug. Okay, the last item I got is most definitely my favorite because I had been already needing to replace these items, and the fact that I found them as a Rae Dunn, and I hadn't been looking. I know that these exist, but I got Sip and Savor pet bowls. I'm sorry, that's what it says here, pet bowls, and these are for our cat. It was $7.99. His chipped because my son feeds him, so we've had him ever since we've had our cat, so they started to chip and stuff like that, so we were already needing to replace them. I just hadn't found ones that I liked, so these are perfect. Sip and Savor. I'm just gonna have to make sure that my son takes really good care of these. Okay, so the last item is not Rae Dunn, but it did remind me of Rae Dunn, and a lot of people have bought this because I've seen a lot of people's gifts in their home being wrapped in this paper. But it's this paper from Target. It's the smaller rolls that cost $1. This size is perfect, by the way. That way you don't have to cut the top and then have a bunch of little loose ends. But I love it. It's just all the reindeer names, but the font kind of reminds me of Rae Dunn. So I'm most definitely going to wrap some of these Rae Dunn items in this. I know my sister will really appreciate it, especially her. The next couple items are not Rae Dunn, but I wanted to include them because they were bought kind of in the same trip. But I got some stuff from, I think it's pronounced Beal's Outlet or Bell's Outlet. And I think a lot of people kind of overlook that store, but I love it. Here in our town, it's a small city, and they always have it stocked really, really well. And I think it's just because people don't go to it that you pretty much always have first dibs at really, really good items. So let me show you some of the items that I got there. Okay, so the first item is, sorry, I don't know if, sorry for that face too. I don't know if it was in frame well or not, but as you can see, oops, sorry. As you can see, it was only $9.99. So this is really inexpensive. It's beautiful. Ooh, I love the color. This was most definitely an impulse buy because I have no idea where to put this. I am contemplating maybe even returning it because, again, it was most definitely an impulse buy. I saw it and I grabbed it thinking it was the only one. Later, I did see that they had them in a different place. I guess somebody moved it, but it still looked like it belonged where it was. So I thought it was the last one, and that's why I just grabbed it, and then I couldn't let it go once I grabbed it. Let me know where I should put this, any ideas on styling this, and I'll consider keeping it because I do love it. I do want it. I feel like I may regret later if I return it. I'll be like, oh, this would have been a perfect place, and now I don't have it, and now I can't find it for $9.99. So I don't know. Help me out on this one. And the last item, but I think it's most definitely my favorite because I'd been looking for something like this. I bought this Nativity Set, and it just says hope at the bottom, which is perfect. But I love the color because it's kind of like a silvery gold color. Like, it's mainly silver, but it does have kind of little reflections of gold. You can even see it on camera. And this was $11.99. I know, this is really inexpensive. I had seen some different ones at Walmart that I was considering, but they were colored. So I was thinking of maybe just spray painting it all white and me adding some accents in either gold or silver, I'm sorry, with a paint pen. And even the most inexpensive one was $9.99, and I couldn't buy it because I know that plus the paint marker, all the changes that I was gonna do, I didn't know if I was still going to 100% love it. And this I love. I already have my home decorated, but I'm most definitely gonna find a place for this because you can never have enough representation of Jesus in your home. So I am most definitely going to keep him maybe year-round because this is such a beautiful piece, and it's heavy. It's not, I mean, it's not ridiculously heavy, but it's not super light either. I absolutely love this, and this is most definitely my favorite piece. I also wanted to include one item that I found at the 99-cent only store. I know not everyone has that store in their area, but I absolutely love this piece and I have to show it, and it is most likely going to be part of my sister's gift. And it doesn't matter to me that she knows the price afterwards because it's not like she doesn't go to the 99-cent only store. We all love it and are addicted to it, just like everyone is to the Dollar Tree. But I got this sign. So it is this canvas print. As you can see, it was $1.99, and I love that it says home. I love the color. I love the gold. I love the white. I think it'll fit perfectly in my sister's house, and that's why I bought this one. They did have ones that said different things, but this one I loved most. But I have a DIY with this, and no, I'm not going to paint over it and just repurpose this as a canvas because that ends up being more expensive most of the time than just buying a blank canvas pack at Michael's. but I have a really neat DIY to make this look like it costs more than $1.99. That video though most likely won't be up until after the new year, because it'll be part of kind of another DIY series that I'm contemplating starting. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed. And that's it for this really quick haul. I mainly wanted to show you the Rae Dunn items and also incorporate some of the other stuff that I bought so that maybe you can go find it yourself too. And that's why I wanted to include the home sign now rather than wait until the DIY, because for the DIY it kind of won't matter what print or what canvas you're using, but that way if you want that for your home you can still get it, because I went 2 days ago and I bought this. And then Beal's Outlet, I want you to go check it out before the holidays, because again they have very neat stuff and a lot of last minute gift ideas, so make sure you check out those stores. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below on which was your favorite item, and if you are a Rae Dunn hunter, collector, or you just appreciate the beauty and imperfections of it. Thank you and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.